It's given me the so
I know exactly who I am, where.
Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm opening a package from Baby Blue Bat Boutique, but before we get to that, remember to like or dislike this video. It doesn't really matter, it's all engagement. Comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload. And welcome! So, Baby Blue Bat Boutique, woohoo! I love Baby Blue Bat Boutique. So, I've opened some stuff from them before on this channel. I will of course link the previous video up there and down in the description. The wonderful Kate that runs Baby Blue Bat Boutique contacted me on Instagram and asked me if she could send me another package, which I of course accepted. Her stuff is absolutely beautiful. So Baby Blue Bat Boutique mainly sells through Etsy and she has some beautiful jewellery. So let's just get into the package because I know she's put some business cards and that kind of thing in there. And I can't wait to show you all the beautiful stuff. I have no idea what she sent me at all. So we'll see. Before we actually get into the package, look at the really cool bat sticker there, and of course the Baby Blue Bat Boutique sticker there. So what's in here? What's in here? She does everything in these beautiful black and white stripy bags. I love them. It's like an old-fashioned sweet shop. I love it. And of course it's got the Baby Blue Bat Boutique sticker on the front too. Gotta love that. Gotta love that. Okay, so you can of course find Baby Blue Bat Boutique by searching on Etsy for Baby Blue Bat Boutique. I will put a link down in the description and I'll put the name of the Etsy shop here for you lovely, lovely people. She has written me a little card on one of her business cards. It says, "To Lolly, thank you so much for working with me again." Thank you for working with me, Kate. It's lovely. I have included some new pieces. I hope you will like them. Love, Kate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Go support Kate on Baby Blue Bat Boutique's Instagram as well. We love having people on Instagram. I love showing stuff off on Instagram. And of course, go check out her Etsy shop. So let's see what we've got. Let's see what we've got. I love opening these things. It's so cool. Oh, wow. Oh, I remember seeing this now on the website. I had a quick scooch over just to see what there was sort of thing. But I really didn't want to, you know, look too hard and then be like, oh my God, I love everything. Oh, look at this. Okay, so this is a beautiful, look, it's a Deathhead moth pendant. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's so much detail on the wings and it's got a skull on it. It's got a skull on it. I love a skull. Right, let's pop this on. I deliberately wore this so it was easy to remove. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Look at all the detail on this. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Kate. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. Oh, it looks amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, it's so pretty. You can, of course, like I said, find all this stuff on Etsy. I will put the links to all the items down in the description for all the items on the Etsy shop because, you know, then you can share the joy. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's like a sword. Oh, I absolutely love it. Oh, that's so cool. Funnily enough, I saw Kate that runs Kate's Clothing put some pictures up of her out at the weekend and she had a really cool sword pendant too and I was super jealous. So, so yay! Right, hang on, let's swap them out. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, this is going to look brilliant with quite a few of my like Necessary Evil keyhole tops. I love, oh yeah. I love it. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Kate. Oh, there's more in here. She's a sneaky one, isn't she? There's loads. Oh my God, there's loads of stuff. Oh, oh, and there's stickers. Stickers. See, I'm keeping all the stickers for when we move. I've got loads of them now. Oh, look. And then when I get my YouTube room, I'm going to put them all up in different places. Look at this. So we've got a moth. It's really cute. And Oh, I love this. Slay the day. That's so cool. Oh, these are definitely going up in my YouTube room. Let's see what else is in here, because she's a sneaky one. I love it. I don't think I've ever been sent anything I didn't love, to be honest. I mean, oh, look. Oh my God, they're so cute. There's little bat earrings. They've got little faces and little tiny ears. They're so cute. Oh my God, they're so cute. Oh my God, these are utterly adorable. Love them. They're so cute. Oh my God. Oh, yeah, I can't explain how cute their little faces are. And then, oh wow. And then these Ouija board ones. And they say witching hour on them. They're like the planchette from a Ouija board. Everything's absolutely beautiful, aren't they? Oh, they're so cute. I love these little bats. I love the little Ouija boards. The moth is just beautiful. And oh, this dagger. Oh, I've got so many outfits come to mind already. I'm so excited. I am definitely going to have to come up with some better storage solutions for my jewellery when we move, because yeah, I need to be able to see it, I think. Oh yeah, so suggest to me some viewable but also dustable storage solutions for jewellery. I don't want to have to constantly like dust lots of tiny things. So anything that you can think of that means I can view everything but it's not out as it were would be greatly appreciated, greatly appreciated. Oh, everything is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm so thankful. Thank you so much, Kate. They are absolutely beautiful. Go check out Baby Blue Bat Boutique. So you can find Baby Blue Bat Boutique on Depop. Just search Baby Blue Bat Boutique. You can also, of course, search for me, Heavy Metal Momma, and you will find her in the people that I am following on Depop. You can also find some of the things that I'm selling off if you fancy, you know, recycle, reuse, some gothy stuff, you know. Just a hint there. But yes, you can find Baby Blue Bat Boutique on Depop, and you can also find her on Etsy, and the URL of her Etsy store is www.etsy.com/UK/shop/Baby Blue Bat Boutique. And I'll put it all up here as well so that you can see it, and of course it will be down in the description so that you can click on those links. She has also very kindly given me to give to you guys a discount code, so use the code HEAVYMETALMOMMA10 and you will get a 10% discount at Baby Blue Bat Boutique. I'm not sure if it's you can use it on Depop. You can definitely use it on Etsy. Have a try on Depop. If not, go to the Etsy shop instead. You know? But either way, go check out Baby Blue Bat Boutique's shop. She has got some beautiful, beautiful items. She's got beautiful things on there. So we've got little spider webs with spiders hanging down. There are like eyeballs on them. They look like those doll's eyes. I love them. They're kind of creepy. Yeah, I kind of love that. Little planets as well, especially for those that are into space and that kind of thing. We've got little ghosts. We've got some of this sort of cut acrylic type things that are beautiful. There's like a witch on a broomstick in like the frame of a cameo, which is really, really gorgeous. There's tigers. There's the Beetlejuice ones that were in my previous video. Go check out that video. The link is down in the description. There's so many beautiful, beautiful things, and changes it up quite regularly as well. So keep it bookmarked, keep checking there. There's some really lovely stuff. The quality is amazing. The prices are so great. And as you know, I love supporting small businesses. I love supporting co-creators in the scene that they are, you know, people just like you and me who are trying to make a small business for themselves. And it's amazing. We should definitely go support them. Go check out the shop, use that discount code HEAVYMetalMomma10, get yourself 10% off. Honestly, her stuff is so reasonably priced. You can't really not. It's absolutely beautiful. And thank you, Katie, so much for the beautiful, beautiful things. I'm so thankful for everybody that wants to send me stuff. I love supporting small businesses, and I'm just so grateful for all the beautiful things that I receive. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, which is your favourite item? Let me know down in the comments. Let me know if it's one of the things I received, or if you had a look at her website and you found something else that you like. And remember, you can always tag me on any of the social medias with your purchases. I love seeing what you guys get. I do see them. I do see them. Sometimes it takes a little while because Instagram, I have to like approve them. So sometimes they don't show up for a little bit, but I do see them all and I love it when you tag me in them. So please continue to do that. Remember to like or dislike this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload. And remember people, stay heavy.